That was scientific friendship manual, wasn't it? But we knew most of it, didn't we? Not about possible. The third speaker is youth leader Nikita, and her topic is my hobby. My hobby, youth leader Nikita. Speaker number 3.
Toastmasters, fellow youth leaders, good evening.
Good evening.
Great. So now I know you're already. Good evening.
Good evening.
Better. Everyone has a hobby. Of course, right? Everyone has a hobby? Yes. But all of you don't know the true meaning of a hobby. A hobby is something that consumes most of your time and you love it. You find it very interesting. That is called a hobby. And you don't get bored of it, that's one thing. One can have many hobbies. I do have many hobbies in my life. Well, let's start. There's reading, drawing, painting. Even though I'm not good at drawing and painting. But I have fun. You know, the thing is you have to have fun with whatever you do. There's dancing. I love it a lot, you know. Anywhere like in my room also, I'll just dance to anything. I'll just make my own songs, try to sing along, dance. Reading, yes, that's a very important thing in all of your lives. Reading is very, very important. Okay, so let me start and tell you about all my hobbies a little. Okay, let's start with reading. Look, novels are very interesting and good, but how can I do this? Well, I start reading 4 or 5 pages of a novel, okay, and I get bored. The next day I go back and I continue reading it, but I don't remember the 4 or 5 pages which I read. You know, it happens a lot to me like that. I'm kind of like forgetful. Then I find it boring, so then I put it aside and then go to comics. I love reading comics. You know, it's quick and easy, you know, it doesn't take a lot of your time. So I like reading comics, and there's one more book which I love reading. It's a series, it's called Babysitter's Club. It's kind of kiddish, I know, but it has a message. There's one series which I read. It's like, there are girls like us who are babysitters, and they help children to develop, they help the deaf children to hear properly. They try to communicate with them by signs, and they try to make them feel all together. So it has a message. That's why I like these books. Okay, now let's go to my next hobby, painting. Painting. I love painting a lot. But my friends say I'm really horrible at it. You know, but I like seeing all the colors, you know. As soon as I see the painting palette, wow, beautiful colors, all bright colors and all. Well, now that's it for painting. Talking. One of my favorite hobby. I do it all the time. See, I'm talking to you right now. Well, talking is really good. Some children get annoyed when I talk too much. You know, I talk too much at once and then they don't understand what I'm trying to say. And one girl, she asked me, Nikita, doesn't your mouth pain if you talk too much? And I'm like, no, what can I say? I'm a girl. Girls love to talk. Okay. Now the next hobby, dancing. I started dancing when I was 4 years old. I was very small. I took an interest in that. My parents put me for classical dance classes, but I used to cry every day going through that. Then they stopped me because I don't like classical. I don't know why. Now I do like it, but now I didn't enjoy it yet. I like freestyle dancing. I dance in many programs, school functions, wherever I get an opportunity. I like to dance. Well, yes, for the next hobby, teaching. Teaching does not mean only teaching in schools, subjects and all. It can be teaching dance or singing or anything else. Not only maths, English, science, social, like that. Well, I think last year when I was in 8th in the holidays, I was over here in Saudi Arabia. So I took up teaching for a girl, a 3rd standard girl. I taught her a Hindi film dance song with my own steps. And not to brag or anything, but she went first in the talent show. So. Singing. Another thing which I'm not good at, but I enjoy it a lot. Even in the bathroom, I'll just sing my own songs or whatever. I like singing a lot. But I'm not that good at it. enjoy them and take up a time. Take your time to enjoy it. Well, dancing is like painting a picture with your body. You know, it's not that you need to be good in dancing or anything like that. I mean, dancing is just dancing. I mean, whatever you feel like, you just let it out. Don't keep it inside, you know, kept in. Well, and I encourage all of you all to take up some or the other hobby in your free time to get away from this hectic world that we face each day. Thank you. Over to you.